This video explains how to buy shares of Lloyds Banking Group PLC and confirms the search phrase, how to buy shares of Lloyds Banking Group PLC. Lloyds is a major retail and commercial bank. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LYG, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LYG to find the listing. Make sure you locate the Lloyds Banking Group PLC entry that matches the ticker before proceeding. Open the asset page to view basic company information and a price chart for Lloyds Banking Group PLC. Confirm that the listing and ticker match LYG so you are on the correct stock page. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, you may place an order or instruction depending on the platform, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your Lloyds position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For a direct link to the example platform, see the description below.